Today I'd like to show you how to send a personalised form to selected customers using the MoneyWorks Forms Designer. The first step is to make a new custom form, and as this is going to customers, it's going to be of type statement. When making a form, the first step is to set the page size. In this case I want it to be like a postcard, so that's going to be an envelope size in landscape. I then just need to check the print area on the form, which is that grey rectangle, and make sure that that covers the whole form. And then using the Forms Design tool, put the appropriate design elements on the form. In this case, some text, so I'm going to draw a text box there, and I've cheated, I put the text on the clipboard to save time. So there is my Christmas message. Now, a few things to note. It's like a mail merge in, say, Microsoft Word. Dear, and then that will be a merge field, and that is picked up from the names database, and the field names are all in the back of the manual. So dear whoever, the team at MoneyWorks wish all of you, that should be all of you at, and then the company name, a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. Now in terms of sending this to selected customers, we should select our customers, and to do that under the show menu, go show names or command 2, highlight the people you want to send it to. In fact, that's going to be everyone except Mr. Smith. And then coming back here, we can click the test button. And there's our Dear Alan, the team at MoneyWorks wish you all at Autumn Fabrics, blah, blah, blah. Going back here, we can make that nicer. We really want that to be a better font. So using the Type Style tool there, we will make that into a handwriting font, and we will make that 16 point. And we'll make that text color blue, so it looks like we've written it out with a pen. And again, we'll see what that looks like. Turn off stop after one page so we get all the 8 highlighted customers showing. So dear Alan, the team at MoneyWorks wish all of you Autumn Fabrics, dear Bronwyn, dear Gary, and so forth. We'll pretty that up a little bit by adding some graphic elements. Over here is my image tool, so I can click that and add a graphics element. Or in this case, I'm going to just drag in from the clipboard some downloaded Christmassy graphics. So we'll have some boughs in the top corner, and in the bottom corner we will have a Santa Claus. We'll just scale that, holding the Shift key, keeps its aspect ratio. So if we look at that now, we will get that. That's looking nice and Christmassy. And finally, I'd like to just add some text, because some of these people do owe us money. So I'm going to duplicate, Command D, that text there, and say PS. Please pay your outstanding balance of, and again it's a merge field, name dot dbalance by December 23rd, when our office closes, or what you want to say there. And I'll make that type style a little bit smaller, maybe 13 point. And so now when we preview that, it says please pay your, we spelt that wrong. MoneyWorks is picking that up for us. We need to go back and correct that typo. Outstanding balance of name, it should be name dot dbalance. Test preview of 0. That's not so good. What about the next one? There's a real balance there and there and there. Okay, so first of all we want the $sign in front of that, and we want to exclude those people who don't owe us anything. And to do that we use a Forms Design feature called Conditional Visibility. Selecting the object and right-clicking on it brings up the visibility contextual menu. Click Conditional, and we want to send that to people whose name dot dbalance is greater than 0. So if they don't owe us anything, we won't have that message there. Just check though, looks okay. Dear Alan, they don't owe us anything. OK, and so on. OK, so we're ready to go. We'll just save that form for future use, pressing Command or Control S depending on your platform, and we'll call that Christmas message. And that goes into our forms, the folder in our custom plugins, MoneyWorks custom plugins. And flicking in here now, you'll see that if we click statement, we've now got a new statement form, Christmas message sort of, and we click send. We're going to email this, and that will go to the highlighted people there. Depending on how you set up your preferences in MoneyWorks, this will either go as a individual email through your client, as it's going to go through here, or else it will go directly to your SMTP server. And there are all our emails ready to be sent, which I can preview because it's going through our client. So that's very briefly how you make a customized communication, personalized communication using the MoneyWorks Forms Designer. This is available in Express, Gold and Data Center. Thank you very much.